Hello, this is where I'm up to. Got the back pegs on, all that's done. Need tightening up. Throttle body's on, but the injector is not on because it's fucked. You see, everything's oil as it should be, all the heads are torqued up to the proper specs. Cable's back on. They're just in slack because I've got to, when I do the valves, I've got to take all that back and get it the top dead centre again. But aye. Looks boring on this side because it looks like it's had that now done. It's looking much better that side.